Hey guys, what's going on today? I'm out here at the food plot that got destroyed by cows, and I'm going to be frost seeding some clover. We have some beautiful temperatures today, but it's supposed to dip down into freezing temperatures in the evenings and at night. So what that's going to do is it's going to work the clover seed into the soil, and then come this spring we should get a nice stand of clover. Overseeding this plot for regular recommendations. And once I get this broadcast, I'm going to try to give you guys an up-to-date video of how this is progressing later this spring. But for now, I'm putting it out today. Stay with me and we'll see how this goes. All right, all done. So we'll give it a little bit of time. Obviously, whenever spring starts to actually stay more consistent and we have nicer temperatures, and when things start to green up, hopefully this greens up with a beautiful lush patch of clover. Like I said, I'll be back in with a couple of clips in the near future, and hopefully I can have a nice field and stand of clover to show you guys. All right guys, this is a week 4 update on the frost-seeded clover. If you look real closely here, you can see just a very few sprouts in a mix of a bunch of grass. So far I gotta say that the clover is way down, because if you go out into the regular pasture field, there's a good amount of clover out there. I'm not saying it's not gonna pop up. A little farther behind than I would expect it to be. So just have to keep on waiting and see. We've had pretty fair weather over the last 4 weeks. Obviously started out cold, and now we are getting that warm air. And today, for example, we have 83 degrees on April the 10th. Couple of baby sprouts. Yeah, this is the 4-week update. I'm out here gonna do a soil sample, and we'll come back out in another month and see what she looks like. Last month you saw me taking soil samples, and this month I'm out here applying lime with the results that I got. I found out the pH of this food plot was only 5.7, so I'm putting down the appropriate amount of lime. You can see here that the clover really did come up pretty well in all this thick hay grass. So, you know, after 2 months after frost seeding, we've made quite a bit of progress. I'm pretty satisfied. I'll be completely honest, last month I didn't think that this plot was going to turn out well at all. And just goes to show, give it a little time, give it a little nice weather, sunshine and rain, and it'll work out. So hopefully next year it'll really stand out with raised pH, and I'm hoping that this limestone raises the pH in time for this deer season for planting what I'm going to plant out here this fall. Well guys, here is the freshly sprayed frost-seeded clover field. We cut it earlier this week. Boy, does this clover field look good and thick. I mean, lots of good clover. This was all frost-seeded in March, and boy did it come up good. We just sprayed for grass, and I really like the signs of this plot. I am super excited for this fall. Guys, this is gonna complete my little series on frost-seeding clover. I hope that maybe this has inspired you to try frost seeding next winter. As you can see, if all goes well, the results really can be astonishing. So I'm really excited. A couple more months, we'll be hunting over this, and hopefully the deer will be destroying it. Thanks again guys for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. We'll see you next time.